I sometimes ask this question from the salespeople that how much time they are spending on the sales, and the answer is very common. The answer is that we are salespeople and we are spending all the time in selling. But my next question to them is that if you are spending all the time in selling, then how come your quota is still not complete? How come your targets are still not complete? My dear friends, this is a very difficult question which salespeople find to answer. Then I ask them that, okay, if you are telling me that you are doing all the time selling, then what are the various kind of activities do you perform? So they will tell me that, okay, they are following up with the factory for the execution of the order. They are also sometimes making quotations, or they are sometimes helping the delivery people for the dispatch. Sometimes they are helping even in following up the vendors, and they are selling all the time. I ask them that how much time do you spend in prospecting? How much time do you spend in presenting? And how much time do you spend in negotiating and closing the order? Because these are the three activities which are actually the hardcore sales activities. All other activities may also be related to sales, but when you are chasing a vendor or when you are chasing the delivery people, you are actually not selling, rather you are just supporting. Support work is different from the sales work. So the research says that on an average, a salesperson is spending not more than 90 minutes per day on the hardcore sales activities. What is your estimate for yourself? Are you also spending around this much of time, or you are spending more time? If you really put your hand on your heart and ask very honestly from you, your answer will also be that probably on these three activities. And let me repeat, what are these three activities? These three activities are: number 1, prospecting; number 2, presenting; number 3, negotiating and closing the order. How much time are you putting on these three activities? Your answer would be even sometimes less than 90 minutes a day, which means that you have got a huge scope of improving your productivity. You have a huge scope of improving your output, and also you have a huge scope of earning the huge commissions. So my dear friend, make use of all this time effectively which is available to you. You have got more than 8.5 hours on daily basis. If you actually utilize this time for hardcore sales activities, you will definitely be on the way of becoming the sales champion. Be successful, make the best use of available time, and make sure that you become the sales champion. All the best.